Hello and welcome to Grammar Lesson 1 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn about gender in Russian. As you proceed through this Practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting if you remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. Every noun in Russian has a category or a grammatical gender: masculine, feminine and neuter.
Он,
He,
журнал,
journal,
чемодан,
suitcase,
жираф,
giraffe,
лимон,
lemon. Feminine:
она,
she,
книга,
book,
сумка,
a bag,
лиса,
a fox,
груша,
pear. Neuter:
оно,
it,
письмо,
letter,
окно,
window,
море,
sea,
манго.
mango. You can tell the gender of a noun by looking at its last letter in the nominative singular form, which is found in a dictionary. Many other languages have genders too.
Германия,
Germany.
немецкий язык,
The German language has 3 genders.
Франция,
France.
французский язык,
The French language has 2 genders.
Испания,
Spain.
испанский язык,
The Spanish language has 2 genders.
Россия,
Russia.
русский язык,
The Russian language has 3 genders. A noun is masculine if it ends in a consonant or a soft sign.
он,
He,
Лондон,
London,
брат,
brother,
дом,
house,
нос,
nose,
чай,
tea,
музей,
museum,
аэропорт,
airport,
паспорт,
passport,
тигр,
tiger,
рубль,
ruble,
словарь,
dictionary,
день,
day,
конь,
horse,
Кремль.
Kremlin. A noun is feminine if it ends in a or ya or a soft sign.
Вода,
Water,
Москва,
Moscow,
сестра,
sister,
улица,
street,
рука,
hand,
кухня,
kitchen,
земля,
land or earth,
няня,
nanny,
виза,
visa,
семья,
family,
площадь,
square,
ночь,
night,
мебель,
furniture,
мать,
mother,
шаль.
shawl. A noun is neuter if it ends in o or ye or mye.
Небо,
Sky,
солнце,
sun,
дерево,
tree,
утро,
morning,
золото,
gold,
вино,
wine,
яблоко,
apple,
озеро,
lake,
дело,
business or work,
сердце,
heart,
время,
time,
знамя,
banner,
имя,
name,
семя.
seed. A noun could be animate, people and animals, or inanimate, things. Some masculine nouns ending in "r" or "ya" look like feminine nouns but refer to masculine persons.
Папа,
Dad,
мужчина,
man,
дядя,
uncle,
дедушка,
granddad,
юноша.
young. Names for boys:
Вася, Ваня, Саша, Володя, Сева. Король,
king,
царь,
Tsar,
зять.
son-in-law. There is also a class of words, the so-called general gender, which, depending on the context, can be used in both masculine and feminine.
Зануда,
Bore,
неженка,
sissy,
плакса,
crybaby,
умница,
clever,
жадина,
greedy,
сирота.
orphan.
Examples. Он плакса, она плакса.
The gender category is not defined in words that are used only in the plural. For example,
Брюки,
trousers,
сани,
sledge,
очки,
glasses,
ножницы,
scissors,
сливки.
cream.
For example, брюки черные, они красивые.
Black trousers. They are smart. Here is a map showing how many genders there are in the world's languages. Non-gender, there are 144 countries. Two genders, there are 50. Three genders, 26. Countries with four genders, 12. Those with five and more genders, 24. The presence or absence of the grammatical gender has a huge impact on the culture of the people who are native speakers. Historically, gender is shown in Russian through word endings. So when studying Russian, attention must be paid to word agreement, which is expressed by the word endings. In other European languages, gender is indicated by the articles in front of words, whereas in English this category is hidden, being understood from the context. In this lesson you have learned about gender in Russian. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your language Russian skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. До свидания, and please join us for the next lesson in the practical Russian course for beginning students.
До свидания.